Hello and welcome back. Hope you are all doing well. In this particular series, I'm starting out teaching about mathematics, and the goal is to get you familiarized with the mathematics behind the machine learning and deep learning. And it's going to be a marathon of series. So the very first series is going to be the basic mathematics. After that, we'll create another series that will talk about the advanced topics such as calculus and then variational calculus and so on. The reason why I'm creating this series is because if you have mathematical background, you probably already know and understand the equations that you may come across in the literature when you're reading about different types of algorithms. If you do not have a mathematical background, or if you are not familiar with the language in which the mathematics is written, then you may find it difficult sometimes to interpret what the equations are trying to tell you. And that is exactly the purpose of these series in mathematics, where I'm going to start out with a very basic mathematics, and this is going to be the high school maths. And if you have a math background, I'm guessing this is going to be just a refresher for you. Or if you do not have a math background, let's say if you are coming from biology side or a different background where you've never had to use math before, then this could be a really good starting point for you to get into the mathematics part, try and understand what it is, how it works, and then gradually build your skills in mathematics to try and understand the concepts later on in machine learning, deep learning, and data science in general. So the way these series of videos are structured is I'll be writing out on the screen, and I'll try to give examples and explain concepts based on some examples that I'll create on the fly. One book that you could closely follow along with this series is the Basic Mathematics book by Serge Lang, and we won't be going into each and every uh, problem or page in that particular book, but if you follow this series, you will be able to answer questions in the book. I cannot directly use the contents of the book for the video creation, so the content will be my own, but then you'll see similarities and you'll be able to relate to what is being taught in this series and be able to understand what's in the book and try and answer those questions. Apart from that, if you are interested in some exercises, if you do not have the book, please do let me know in the comment section for each of those videos, and I'll be happy to post some questions on GitHub that I can create so that you can get the practice on whatever was taught in that particular video. At the same time, if you have any other questions, comments, or suggestions, please do let me know. I'm really excited to get started on this very first series in basic mathematics. And I hope you enjoy this series as well. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.